Welcome to the Digital Moneta channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the results we have been able to achieve using CryptoHopper automated trading bots on the Binance exchange with a bunny subscription. So that's their entry-level subscription of about $20. And so far, over 10 days, this bot has only been running for 10 days, we have been able to achieve 15.3% profit, which equates to 0.0172 Bitcoin, based on the fact we're really only letting the bot utilize 0.1249 of our Bitcoin balance in the on the Binance exchange. So the way we've basically been able to achieve that is through using our technical analysis strategy, RSI and Bollinger Bands. As we can see, we'll come down here and look at the trade history for the 10 days. This will be the entire 10-day trade history for this bunny bot. And we come on down, it's loading them all still. Get down here. It looks like it's still, okay, I think it might finally be finished. Yep. So we started on August 15, 2018. Note that date. We've been able to successfully execute profitable trades during what everyone is calling a bear market for Bitcoin. So while a lot of people are avoiding trading during this bear market, we have continued to trade and actually set this CryptoHopper bunny subscription up based on our strategy. As you can see, it started out kind of slow, started to hit some positive returns. We actually have the short feature turned on in here where we're able to realize a profit on a short. We did manually close that trade. You can see more profits, another short, more profits, a couple losses, and we have a stop loss set. Originally we had our stop loss set at 5%, and you can see these losses were hitting around 5%. So anytime the coin started to move against us and hit that negative 5% region, it would sell that according to our stop loss. So we can see some more. There's a 7% gainer there. More stop losses at that 5%. Gains, losses. Still, you could see it's been running through this whole time. So we didn't shut this off. So started the 15th. You can see from these dates, the 16th, the 18th, the 17th, we only really had one situation occur on the 17th that met our strategy. Quite a few on the 18th, a little more active on the 18th. 19th, again, we only had a couple buys come on, no sells. Then the 20th, a little more activity, and that's the reality of trading. Some days you'll have a lot of activity, other days you'll have no activity. Nothing will hit your signal. You don't have to be in the market for the sake of being in the market. You just have to have your strategy in place. It will do its thing. 20th was actually a pretty active day. Then we hit the 21st. Now on the 22nd, we saw quite a sell-off in the market. We saw quite a dip in the market. Bitcoin and all the coins took a dip. We left it on, took some losses, again at that 5%. This one actually was basically fell so fast we couldn't get out till 7%. Now on that trailing stop loss, we've actually changed that from 5. We've tightened it up, and it's seems to actually be performing a little better. So throughout the 22nd, while that dip occurred, if we would have decided to turn off our bot because the market was turning against us, as soon as the market came back and some of our other indicators hit, we would have missed out on these profits continuing on the 22nd. We would have missed this whole string right here of profits. We would have missed this buy because it was like at 5 a.m. This sell was at 3 a.m. on the 23rd. A lot of these were bought on the 22nd, and we were able to sell them out. Here's some more shorts. The gray is short position because you technically didn't close the position according to the hopper. We have a video on using CryptoHopper and shorting. We're new with this system. It's not a traditional shorting system, so you might want to check out that video. We'll put a link in the description below. Here we closed out some of these shorts that occurred. And we see the bot running 23rd, 24th, and today until the 25th. So that is the whole history. We wanted to be totally transparent with this system. So far, 10 days in, showing profits, appears to be working. Again, we're up over 15% for 10 days. That amount there based on Bitcoin's price, currently at 6,700. Bitcoin's at 6,700. So based at a Bitcoin price of 6,700, 0.017 and change, Bitcoin would be around $114. If Bitcoin was down around that $6,300 mark, where it's been bouncing kind of in between right now, 62, 63, up to 67, 68. But let's just, on the conservative side, say it was at 6,300, Bitcoin was. This return would still be $100. And with a $19 investment in the bot, we have more than covered our cost of $19. We're in the green on using the CryptoHopper bot. Just to give you an idea of what our configuration is, how we have achieved these returns. The coins we change daily. We don't change them all, but we do go into our trading view. We look at the different coins. Now, we use Fibonacci. We go, to test some charts on the different coins to decide if we want to run with them. In the automated bot, we go back and look at RSIs and see entries and exits and see if they would have made sense. We obviously look at the Bollinger Bands. So we actually, each morning, kind of look at the charts, and each evening look at the charts of a bunch of different tokens and update our hoppers coins based on what we saw on the charts for the coins available to us. And as you can see, Binance has a bunch of coins available under the Bitcoin pairs for us to use. And so we kind of change these up from time to time depending on how their charts are looking and how the market is looking. That's, while the automated bot is automated, it will do all the trading. It's only going to do what you tell it to do. What it does is only as good as the information you feed it. If you feed it garbage, the output will be garbage. So there is a little work you're going to have to do. There's some technical analysis you're going to have to put into your choices of coins. Now you could select all the coins, and we're probably going to run a test doing just all the coins, our technical analysis, and see how that turns out. But on this bot, we stuck with the 15 coins. That's a manageable amount of coins that we're able to manage and move in and out. And then on top of that, we have our strategy set to multiple TA factors, technical analysis factors. And if you want to see what our factors are, it's 30-minute candles. We have the RSI enabled. We have RSI set at 7 candles. Oversold threshold of 20. Overbought threshold of 80. The RSI is necessary to initiate a buy. Bollinger Bands we have at the default 20, 2, and 2. Those seem to work just fine with the SMA moving average. and then the Bollinger Band signal is also required. So both RSI and Bollinger Band has to be met in order to trigger a buy. Those are our basic settings as far as how the system is buying the coins for us. And then as far as we do have a stop loss set, right now we've cranked that up to 4 rather than the 5. This is probably going to move to 3 after we do a little more back testing. We're not getting stopped out doing our back testing currently at 3% any more than we would have been at 5 or 4. So, but again, back testing is important there. Trailing stop loss is actually turned off. We had that on earlier and we were actually giving up some gains, so we turned that off. And then the sell strategy, the sell settings, excuse me, is take profit at 3%. Basically, that's the number we're looking at. Our ultimate goal is to have a 1-to-1 ratio, 3% profit and a 3% stop loss. If everything tests out, again, that's how we generally run our like forex trading and our stock trading is a 1-to-1 ratio on stop and profit. So those are the basic settings that we're running using the CryptoHopper automated trading bot to generate this 15% return in 10 days. And with that, I think we'll wrap this video up. We wanted to be totally transparent and show how we're doing the trading with this CryptoHopper bot, the results that we're achieving, and we went through all the trade history on these so you could actually see the trade history and how it's working. So with that, if you like the video, smash that like button for us if you would. Definitely subscribe. We have some plans in the work for subscribers, have some giveaways and what have you, but we've got to build that base first. If you didn't like the video, let us know how we can improve it. If you'd like to see us do some videos on anything related to crypto, let us know. We'll see if we can put those together. So we'll see you next time. Take care.